Please have a round of applause for him. Clap for him, please.
Wow, look at the beautiful smiles of you all. And the bright, fashionable clothes you all are wearing are shining. Some of you might be wearing some trendy branded clothes, and some of you might be wearing that formal classic clothes. But if you have observed that fashion trends are changing rapidly, and like people used to wear tight jeans and t-shirt earlier, but now they wear baggy jeans, some kind of oversized t-shirt or shirt and have curly hairs. So indeed fashion is changing rapidly, and this is where the problem occurs. Good afternoon everyone, I am Khuzar Qureshi and today I am here to talk about how fast fashion is affecting our environment. So let's begin. Clothes, fashion and lifestyle are now most valuable things, and money is not enough to pay the price. Money is not enough to pay the price. Global fashion industry is responsible for 10% emissions in the world. And the global fashion industry is about $2.5 billion worth. And the second richest man, if you search right now, the most richest man in the world is the owner of a fashion brand. Data says this industry grew by 230% in last 25 years. If you imagine, it's a huge growth. But how did this happen? The reason is fast fashion. Or you can say the trends that are changing so quickly. Earlier, fashion used to have only 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn and winter. And people used to change their fashion according to the weather. But by the 1990s, the trend has changed. And the fashion which has used to change after 3 or 4 months seems very slow to the company. If people will shop after every 4 months, how will companies make bigger profit? And that's why they introduced fast fashion. They did new fashion shows every month and introduced new styles. Brands like H&M offers 12 to 16 collections per year. And you must have heard about Zara. This brand offers 24 collections per annum. I mean annually they offer 24 collections. You might be thinking they are making clothes, selling it and making money. What is wrong in this? But according to the report of Fashion Network, H&M burns up to 12 tons of their clothes just to maintain exclusivity. And all the fabric, so much textile waste is either can be thrown or burned. And all these has huge impact on our environment, which is hidden from us. Some brands copy the other brands and make their clothes cheaper. But the value of the cost of clothes is low, that does not mean the value is low. Do you know the true value of your clothes? If I ask you what is the price of your shirt or jeans you are wearing, your answer would be 1,000, 5,000, or maybe 10,000. But still, it is not the value of your it is not the original value of your clothes. There is another price of clothes, which is blue gold. Do you know what the blue gold is? Fresh drinkable water is our blue gold. And the fashion industry is second largest water consuming industry. According to the World Wildlife Fund, it requires up to 2,700 liters of water just to make one cotton shirt. Can you imagine this? It is the same amount of water that you can drink for 2.5 years. And for making a pair of jeans, it takes up to 11,000 liters of water. This much water you can drink for about 10 years. All this water consumption is because of the cotton plant, which require a lot of heat and water to grow. Making cloths is a highly polluted process which requires washing, bleaching and dyeing. And for doing all these, they use chemicals. And later on, the water which has used for dyeing clothes used in the irrigation of crops. And after that, we eat that chemical waste in form of our food. But, but here's the catch. We can reduce all these processes and things by 30% just by wearing our clothes for a little bit longer period of time. And after that, donating it to someone else. All I want to say, at last, all I want to say, you just need to think. Think about the price that our nature has to pay for our clothes. And think about the environment. And think how we can make Earth a happy and secure place to live. Alright, thank you for listening.
Wonderful. Khizar, you forgot your toffee because you said very well.